Top headlines for the day.
Bigg Boss 10 kickstarts from October 16 and we are really looking forward to this mammoth set which sure is set to make a difference for all. Yes, so if you have thought of what Bigg Boss would all be about, then it is not only about the celebrities and commoners but also the house itself. Yes, all lavishly decorated and totally upgraded to a different level, the contestants sure would be given the most lavish and modern facilities with a traditional vintage touch. Have a look at the rooms and you would know for yourself that they are indeed tastefully decorated with the best facilities and comforts. Truly, with all this, the contestants sure do not have to worry about any kind of material discomfort. Regarding emotional discomfort, well, that is what the game is all about. Meanwhile, here we share some pictures for your interest and along with you, we are also waiting for the show to begin. Oh my god, the unbelievable has happened. Salman Khan would be releasing Aishwarya Rai's upcoming Ae Dil Hai Mushkil in the chain of single theatres that is going to be under the Being Human brand from Diwali. And what is happening in Diwali? Well, Ae Dil Hai Mushkil for one and Shivai for another. However, Salman would be launching both, but we are more kicked about Karan Johar's too, as it has Salo's ex-girl Ash in it. Earlier on, after singing the Bulaya song, Salman had remarked that his Nimbura girl is looking beautiful. Ranbir would be promoting Ae Dil Hai Mushkil on Bigg Boss 10, anchored by Salman. Looks like things are set for the Bhaijan to get closer to his girl. Hehehe, just kidding. Well, for starters, the fact that Salman is releasing Ash's film itself is a good appetizer for all Salman fans. Hai na? Salman Khan has been at the top of his game for a long time, especially since Ek Tha Tiger. His recent blockbusters have broken many records on the box office and won the fans' hearts. But Salman doesn't show signs of slowing down. As we all know, he is currently in Manali shooting for Kabir Khan's Tube Light, which is set to release in Eid 2017. Moreover, Bhai has also booked Christmas 2017 for the sequel to Ek Tha Tiger, Tiger Zinda Hai. Now this is a very exciting lineup that Bhai has for his fans in 2017. But there's more. Recent reports have been saying that Salman has booked Eid 2018 for Dabangg 3. Dabangg 3 finally. The film is rumored to be shot internationally this time with internationally acclaimed stunt directors working on the action scene. It's a long wait until 2018 but something tells us it will be worth it. Just some time back, Salman Khan had reacted after the Uri attack that Pakistan artists are artists and not terrorists, so they have to be respected. However, Salim Khan, Salman Khan's father, in recent tweets said that we have a lot of talent right here in our country, so why look across the border? Huh? Isn't that totally opposite of what Salman has said? Salman, in the wake of so much controversy over the release of Ae Dil Hai Mushkil and SRK's Rais, said that Fawad and Mahira Khan are Pakistan's artists and they have to be respected. They need not be subjected to this. This was obviously interpreted in a different way by the political groups, which said Salman has to leave the country in 48 hours. Amidst all this, Salim Khan's statement seems more of a first aid treatment to the apparent damage Salman has done by speaking his mind. What do you say? A popular newspaper got it right. When Salim Khan speaks, you need to sit up and listen. Salman Khan's father Salim Khan took to Twitter recently to share his anguish as our nation shifts focus from the real perpetrators to the artist. His response to the Pakistani actors working in India controversy was pretty witty, with sarcasm being its major weapon. In a series of tweets, Salim Khan wrote things like, "Breaking news, Saeed, Lakhvi and Masood replaced by Salman Khan, Mahesh Bhatt, Karan Johar and Yekuri on the most wanted list of times now. As these people are a big threat to the unity of our country. Take heart, gentlemen, at least you are in the job of entertaining people, rather than in a job of shouting, screaming, hurting and humiliating people. Mr. Yekuri, careful, talking of peace will make you a traitor." Salim is making a strong and evident point here, and he didn't resort to insult or name callings at all. For all those who have seen Aishwarya Rai in a passionate scene with Ranbir Kapoor, here is the squatcher. For starters, the actress wanted a bold role and didn't mind being bold and beautiful. Whoa, that is indeed something, ain't it? Considering her post-delivery films like Sarabjit and Jazba, we guess Ash settled for a hottie like Ranbir as she felt her market popularity would be more. This is at the risk of her family not liking her kissing scene with Ranbir. This also considering the Bachchans and Kapoors would better stay separate after the relation between Abhishek and Karishma. But Ash is focused and dedicated and is highly professional and knows what would make her tick in the Janta's mind, and she already has occupied everyone's hearts with the superb performance in Karan Johar's flick. Well, we sure are waiting to see this demanded role once the movie is released. है ना?
हमारे जो असल हीरो जो है वो हमारे जवान है। हम तो बहुत परचुटन मामूली और नकली लोग हैं, तो हम जो कुछ बोलते हैं उसके ऊपर ध्यान मत दो। तुम्हें समझ में आया मैं किन के बारे में बोल रहा हूँ? तो उन्हीं के बारे में बोल रहा हूँ। जो हम जो पटर पटर करते हैं उनके ऊपर ध्यान मत दो, इतनी अहमियत मत देना किसी को, उनकी औकात नहीं उतनी अहमियत की। ओके, थैंक यू। हमारे जो असल हीरो जो है वो हमारे जवान है। हम तो बहुत परचुटन मामूली और नकली लोग हैं, तो हम जो कुछ बोलते हैं उसके ऊपर ध्यान मत दो। तुम्हें समझ में आया मैं किन के बारे में बोल रहा हूँ? तो उन्हीं के बारे में बोल रहा हूँ। जो हम जो पटर पटर करते हैं उनके ऊपर ध्यान मत दो, इतनी अहमियत मत देना किसी को, उनकी औकात नहीं उतनी अहमियत की। ओके, थैंक यू। पाकिस्तानी कलाकार जो है उनको सलमान ने कहा वीज़ा दिया है गवर्नमेंट ने, सलमान ने कहा वो टेररिस्ट नहीं है। दोनों बातें सही है। पाकिस्तानी कलाकार जो है उनको सलमान ने कहा वीज़ा दिया है गवर्नमेंट ने, सलमान ने कहा वो टेररिस्ट नहीं है। दोनों बातें सही है, लेकिन मैंने यही कहा जब जंग होती है दो देशों में, जब जंग हो रही है तो हमको अलग होना चाहिए। जब जंग नहीं होगी तब आप तो बाद में वो पॉलिटिकल डिसीजन होगा, नहीं? मुझे लगता है पाकिस्तान कलाकार ये बातें बाद में, पहले मेरा देश के अलावा मैं किसी को जानता नहीं, वरना तो मैं जानना चाहूँगा। हम कलाकार देश के सामने इतने खटमल की तरह इतने से है, हमारी कीमत कोई नहीं है। पहले देश के बाद अगर कोई कुछ है तो फिर बाद में बात करो।
Ajay Devgan is giving everything he's got for his directorial venture Shivai. Leaving no stone unturned, Ajay promoted Shivai heavily on social networks even though he is normally not that active on the internet. Ajay, along with his wife Kajol, also went to United States to appeal to their American fan base, but that did not really go as well as they were expecting. But with the hiccup behind him, Ajay has returned to promote Shivai on reality shows back in India. He recently appeared on a dance reality show Super Dancer where judge Geeta Kapoor, Shilpa Shetty Kundra and Anurag Basu were reported to have a gala time with the actor. Shivai being revealed to a story that touches on the human elements in Lord Shiva, emphasizing his imperfections that finally make him stronger. The film releases clashing directly with Karan Johar's Ae Dil Hai Mushkil. Ajay Devgan would be promoting his upcoming and most awaited Shivai in 104 FM. Yes, for all those who have been waiting for the Takkar of Titans in the form of Ae Dil Hai Mushkil from Karan Johar and Shivai from Ajay Devgan would now have the Shivai hero Ajay himself on the radio channel 104 FM. After a lot of controversy, Shivai is finally on for promotions and aren't we really interested and kicked to hear it? However, Ajay and Kajol took it up on themselves to deal it in their own way, and today the film Shivai is out for promotions. Well, we sure are keen to see and hear all about Shivai on air, hai na? Kareena Kapoor's new video with Manish Malhotra really has reason to go viral and everyone is sure to love this spot on video with the difference. We have been seeing Bebo in Manish Malhotra designed outfits and we dig her look each time. pregnant Bebo really has charmed us all with a unique way of dressing during her pregnancy. Her recent black anarkali wowed her fans to no end, and Kareena sure is glowing through her pregnancy. With the video on board to be released, the duo really have touched the right chord with their small publicity video, which is digging all the interest quotient. Kareena, busy with We Day the Wedding, sure knows how to pull the right strings even if she is almost through her trimesters. We are all now eagerly waiting to see her post-maternity wardrobe. What say?